Welcome to Math Media Ganidam Madhuram. Today we start with exercise 2.4 linear equations in one variable. Let's move to our first question. Today's first question, question number 8. Our next question, question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest nine are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So we can start solving. We have to find the total number of deer in the herd that we don't know. So we can give the variable to this one. Let the total number of deer be X. Number of deer grazing in the field is half of the herd of deer, that is X upon 2. Now we can find what are the remaining number of deers. Total is X. X by 2 is grazing in the field. Therefore the remaining deer are X minus X by 2. Number of deer playing nearby is the 3/4 of the remaining. So 3 by 4 of x minus x by 2. Now you can solve this one. X minus x by 2 gives LCM is 2. So we after solving we get 2x minus x whole divided by 2, that is 3 by 4 into x by 2 equal to 3x upon 8. And it is rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. So number of deer drinking water equal to 9. According to the question, we have to write x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 plus 9 equal to the total number of deers, that is equal to x. This is the linear equation we formed. Now we have to solve the equation. So take the variable in one side and numerals to the other side. Here the LCM is 8. So we get 4x plus 3x minus 8x whole divided by 8 equal to minus 9. That is 7x minus 8x equal upon 8 equal to minus 9. 7x minus 8x means minus x upon 8 equal to minus 9. That is minus x equal to, while cross multiplying we get minus 9 into 8 equal to minus 72, or x equal to 72. Therefore, the total number of deer in the herd is 72. Our next question, question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. We have to find their present ages. We don't know their present age, so we can give the variable to the present age. So let the present age of granddaughter be x years. Therefore, the present age of grandfather will be 10x years. It is given grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. According to the question, it is given grandfather's age equal to granddaughter's age plus 54. That is 54 years older than the granddaughter. So we can write 10x equal to x plus 54. This is the linear equation we formed. Now we can solve x. For that, first we have to move the variable in one side and numeral to the other side. So x will come to LHS, it will become minus x. So 10x minus x equal to 54. 10x minus x is 9x equal to 54. Now x equal to 54 upon 9 equal to 6. That is, present age of granddaughter is 6 years and that of grandfather is 10x, means 10 into 6 equal to 60 years. Hence the present age of granddaughter 6 years and grandfather is 60 years. Last question of exercise 2.4, that is Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So we can take the present age we have to find out. Here it is given. Aman's age is comparing with the son's age. So we can take the age of Aman's son as x years. Hence, Aman's age will be 3x years. Next, 10 years ago, we have to find out the age of both of them. That is, before 10 years or 10 years ago, age of Aman's son equal to x minus 10 years. Age of Aman equal to, now Aman's present age is 3x. So, before 10 years, it will be 3x minus 10 years. Now, according to the question, it is given 10 years ago, Aman's age equal to 5 times son's age. That means 3x minus 10 equal to 5 into x minus 10. This is the linear equation we formed. That is 3x minus 10 equal to 5x minus 50. Now move variable into one side, numeral to other side. So 3x minus 5x equal to minus 50 plus 10. Minus 10 will shift to RHS. It will become plus 10. That is minus 2x equal to minus 40, or x equal to minus 40 upon minus 2 equal to 20. That is Aman's present age is 3x, that is 60 years, and son's age is x, that is 20 years. Hence we can say that present age of Aman is 60 years and son's age is 20 years. Hope that you like this video.